Oh, come on.
Bạn vào đây ạ.
Keep it. Go that way. So this is our first experience on Hanoi Sky Train. It just opened again for a test run after a lot of delays. Woo. So many people on the board. It's crazy.
Đây này, rồi từ sau đi này. Cái này rẻ về từ sửa này. Cái máy phẳng nha, cái máy đi phẳng đây nha. Rồi.
It's crazy. I hope you guys can hear me. The railway is actually 13 kilometers, which I think is crazy, like 880 million with 13 kilometers. I'm running 13 trains. It runs about 2 minutes a station. The speed of the trains are 80 kilometers per hour, but they're probably gonna run it at 45 or 35 kilometers per hour. Actually, a lot of people on board though. And I'm just waiting to get to the end to see where the end is and then grab some food and then head back. So what I gathered to find out, this railway was scheduled like 10 years ago or something. It was estimated at $552 million. It actually ballooned due to Chinese contractors that had price skyrocket to like $880 million. The first launch was like 5 years ago. Railway tracks were rusty when it's actually started, but it actually opened today. So this is like a big thing for Vietnam right now. Sky Train.
Đi xa nó khoảng tầm cây hơn cây. Không đến. Đâu, cây hơn cây.
Ga tiếp theo là ga Thượng Đình. Xin quý khách ổn định vị trí và không thở vào cửa đầu. Quý khách xuống ga Thượng Đình chuẩn bị sẵn sàng. Xin cảm ơn. The next stop is Thượng Đình Station. Please get ready for your arrival and keep clear of the door. Thank you. Đã đến ga Thượng Đình, cửa xuống bên phải hướng tàu chạy. Xin cảm ơn. We are arriving at Thượng Đình Station.
So we got to the end, so we're gonna find some food because I'm starving. So yeah, that was pretty fitting to be on the Sky Train that just opened. Yeah, it's amazing. Like and subscribe if you like random travels. That's the end of the day for now. Just gonna head home and relax. Got a lot of work to do. Xin chào. Yeah.